Purchasing a home is the largest investment you will make in your life. So this is why you need to call someone who's going to have your best interest in mind and also will have a personal relationship with.
Michelle Stropes has been with Fifth Third Bank for, 18 years. That's incredible. In fact, she did my refi a while back, so I thought it'd be good to catch up, see the new Hamilton Quarter location, and find out what's going on in the mortgage business. Well, it's been a minute.
It's been a long time, way too long. Way too long.
I know. This has all changed, though, a lot.
Isn't it amazing? It really is. I am so proud of this branch. It's our next generation branch. First branch in Central Ohio in 10 years. And when they opened this, I will say, from being just an old banker, doing this a long time, I thought, oh, I don't know. And I am loving it. The customers love it. It's allowing the customers to get more of a feel of wanting to come in. You can come in and have a coffee, borrow a book, and it gives a more comfortable feeling of a customer coming in face to face.
Because this is a big decision people are making when they're here, right?
Huge decision, huge.
So it just kind of takes all the stress down
the
level.
Yes. I mean, who walks into a branch, to a bank and going, oh gee, I get to speak to a complete stranger about my finances.
Right.
I'm going to enjoy this.
Right. Right.
We want you to enjoy it.
Well, I have, and that's why I'm still a customer. And I wanted to talk to you about this market. What's going on right now? I know this is one of those markets that people are questioning, is it going to be done? Is it still going to be a great market? What are people saying?
Great question. So I went to a forecast meeting and it was very interesting because I'm hearing the word a lot, bubble. Oh, this is a bubble. It's not a bubble. Supply and demand. And we're so blessed to be in Central Ohio because it will always be a demand for Central Ohio. We live in such a great city.
So why is Fifth Third different to you? I mean, you've been here a long time, Michelle.
Yes.
Your team has been here a long time,
yes.
Michelle.
Yeah.
So why do you think people are responding to Fifth Third in that way? Is it because you do have actual relationships with people?
Yeah, so it's nice that you can have a phone number and call someone directly. You can walk into a branch and talk to someone directly, not calling 1-800 number.
So why is it that you, number one, like being in mortgage lending, or why is it that you've decided that Fifth Third has been your home for so long?
First of all, I have to say I love what I do. It's not work to me. I've helped out over 4,000 customers in my lifetime with,
wow.
Yeah. And
you still return my phone calls.
I still return your phone call. Absolutely.
Bless you.
Absolutely, yes. But it's because I love what I do, and I love Fifth Third because of the people. We have great leadership in our Cincinnati office. They really do care about Fifth Third and the customer. And I think that's very important.
And you have awards behind you to back all this up.
Yes,
this
I
is
do.
where you get to gloat a little bit. So tell us some of your awards.
Our customer satisfaction awards are top of the company. Our volume is top of the company. We just take care of the customer. That's what we do. When we have customers come back over and over again, because Sean, this is your biggest investment in your life.
Right.
I mean, this is huge.
Right.
It's very hard to call a complete stranger and say, look at my finances. That's very personal.
Oh yeah.
Very personal.
Right.
And so we make sure you're taken care of and knowing you're just not a number to us. We care about what's happening here.
And it shows, and that's why people do stick with you. And that's why when I call, I say, will you pick up lunch? Because you know my finances.
No. And I always do.
Yes, you always do.
I always do.
No,
yes,
I appreciate it. So people are right now considering maybe refis or new construction. I know there are a whole bunch of different categories that you can provide lending services for. So what are some of those?
The biggest is our construction programs, our physician loan programs, which are amazing for those first-time home buyers for physicians, our conventional loans, our down payment assistance loans that deal with OVA, VA, FHA. We have them all here. So if you have more questions, then please call myself or my team and I'll answer all your questions. I look forward to hearing from everyone. People say on the news, oh, this is not a good time to buy. People are very concerned about interest rates. This is a great time to buy. It's still a great time to buy. But I tell my buyers, when they're you have to get pre-approved. Yeah. In this market, you have to be pre-approved.
Right.
Yes.
I bet you've seen some scenarios where people are getting beaten out easily because they're
Absolutely.
not. Yeah.
Yes. You just have to be patient. The right house will come along.
And when that house comes along,
you jump on it and be pre-approved and call me.
And you call Michelle.
Yes, and get pre-approved. It's very important. Yes.
Oh, this is a great place. Congratulations.
Thank you.